Hello, today I am going to show you how to create a winged liner using ShadowSense. So ShadowSense is a cream to powder shadow from SeneGence, and I love using this to create a winged liner. You're going to need a little liner brush, and the way this applies is it comes out on a little applicator, but for a winged liner, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the ShadowSense on the brush. And then what I like to do is go in and you're just going to put in your little line. And so you can do this with any color. This is onyx, which is great for winged liner. You can do whatever color you want, and there are tons of colors. So we're just building in our line here first, all the way to the corner. Once you get all the way to the corner, our wing is just going to come up towards the ends of our brows. It can be as dramatic or not dramatic as you want. And then what you're going to do is just attach it to the rest of your line. And there you have your winged liner. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Which is always kind of the trick with winged liner, is making them match. I just find ShadowSense to be really easy to work with for winged liner, a lot easier than a liquid liner, because I think you have more control. When you're applying it wet like this, it's almost more like the consistency of a gel or a cream liner. So we built in our same line here, and then once again, once you have this line in, the trick is just, to the best of your ability, when you're sketching it in, to just have it line up the best you can. Very similar on the other side. So it just takes practice, and it may not be perfect. But it really is just a matter of doing your best and practicing. Like this one's a little bit bolder, a little darker than this side. So I'm trying to even them up a little bit. Just make them match a little bit more. So this is how I use ShadowSense to do a winged liner. Definitely my favorite SeneGence product to do a winged liner with. And the really tiny brush is this is the Sigma E10. The really tiny liner brush is definitely the key. Now, I do want to just pop on some lashes. So I'm going to be using Unreal. These are Glamnetic magnetic lashes. So with these, you're going to use a magnetic liner. And this I apply just right on top of my other liner. Just a little line. This liner is a lot harder to work with. You can see it's kind of like goopy. So I would not want to create a wing with this myself. But how I'm using it is I'm basically just using it as glue on top of my other liner. So I'm basically just putting a thin little strip all the way across where I'm going to connect my lash. Okay, so that's the liner. These are the Unreal lashes. And I just pulled them off. They have little magnets on them, and you can kind of curl them. And then you're just gonna pop them on above your eyelashes. And they are going to stick to that magnetic liner. And I chose these Unreal lashes because they're a very natural lash. You can see they're not crazy big or heavy. So you can really still see our nice wing that we did. So I hope you found this helpful, learning how to do a winged liner using ShadowSense. Please give me a like below, comment, and subscribe, and have a fabulous day.